Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today, sorry if I sound a little deep, but today we are playing Fashion Famous. I know I haven't recorded anything in a while. I'm so sorry, but my screen recorder wouldn't show up on the actual game, so I had to not film anything for a little bit. I am so sorry, but yeah. So we're playing Fashion Famous today. This is my first Fashion Famous video on the channel. I have played Fashion Famous before, but I always would do it off camera. What the heck is this? It's literally just curtains. I can't even really see anything. What? Oh! My mic fell. As you can see, I am now premium. Also, I have a new outfit, but you won't get to see it until... Okay. Starting a new game. Random clothing. Welcome to Fashion Famous. Tough dude. Okay, I can work with 4 minutes. Get ready. 3. Okay, that's what I'm gonna pick. Okay, now we gotta find the perfect pants. I just have to pick random pants, and then I got to pick a good hair. Choosing the hair is always the hardest part. I think I will go for this one. So let's click it, and let's go dye it. I'm going to do black, since tough is always black. Now let's find the perfect face. Perfect face. Now we gotta do some head accessories. You can hardly see my hat, but okay. I guess that works. So that's basically it. I'm going to pause my this is my outfit. I'm going to pause my recording, and I'll see you when it's all finished. And I'll see you when we are going and when we are going up. Yeah, so I'm going to pause the recording for 4 minutes. Okay, time is up. Now let's get Paris, France. Let's see. Welcome everyone to the Fashion Famous show. It's time to vote for the best outfits. First up is Wahaba. I'll type you too. Okay, now let's see who's up next. Queen of Pink Things. I didn't even see them. I didn't even vote. I'll give them a 5. They look pretty good. I didn't even vote for last round. I forgot you have to vote. Big Fella 282. I don't really like this one. I'm gonna give it a 2. Car_Lart23. This looks more Halloween-y, but I kind of like it, so I'll give it a 4. Okay, so that was mine. Now let's continue to watch. I actually like this one. I'm going to give it a 5. Who's next? Archie Dog 24. I mean, I love it, but I don't really think it's really fits with the style, so I'm going to give you a 1. I'm sorry if you're watching this, but I don't really think it fits. Solo streams. I'll give him a 4. They look pretty good. Now let's see the results. I dropped my freaking mic again. Okay. Aww, I didn't make it onto the leaderboard. I made it to 6th place. I got 9 stars. Oh, yep. See my new Halloween outfit? Of course, back in November, I'm going to change it back. But, this is my Halloween outfit until Halloween. I will change it when it's November 1st. So, for now, this is my Halloween outfit. Did you just see that? You can't even go in here. Randomizing clothing. Also, you can see I have a new necklace that was also with my regular avatar. Yap, yap. What does that mean? Alright guys, so if it's yap yap, I'm not even sure what that means. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was pretty short, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Bye.